But another big question is, will the Fed cut rates on Wednesday? We know the central bank hasn't cut this year. And to say the least, Donald Trump has been super frustrated over this.
Your frustration probably doesn't begin to describe his dissatisfaction with Jerome Powell. I think that a quarter point reduction is probably in the cards. And Jerome Powell, who's the head of the governors, head of the FOMC, which is the vote setting body, and the object of Donald Trump's ire, really teed up a rate cut last month with a keynote speech that he gave. I think the big question is what happens after that? Because one of the things that Powell said is that he thinks that rates right now are only moderately restrictive. That suggests that rates don't have that much further to fall, certainly not the full 3 percentage points that Donald Trump has said he wanted to see. Throw into the decision-making process, inflation in the U.S. hasn't gone away. It's going in the wrong direction, heading toward 3% at an annual rate. The Fed's goal, the Fed's target is a 2% inflation rate. That's a pretty big gap. You also look at consumer spending, which is about 2/3 of the U.S. economy, such an important part of the U.S. economy. If you use retail sales as a proxy for consumer spending, retail sales rose quite a bit in the month of August, 0.6%. That isn't adjusted for inflation, that number, but it's still a healthy rise, more than economists expected. So it suggests that the consumer is still alive and well, even though there is evidence that labor growth is slowing quite a bit.